from the public for your expansion of the business. That's the purpose of expansion or of issuing your shares to the public. So isa yan sa mga taxes na they are increasing their capitalization. That means if you expand, you believe in this country and you are seeing hope in this country. Yun ang dahilan po dyan. Klaro po ba o masyado tayong mathematics dito? One of the most boring subject sa school is finance, di ba? Marami nakakatulog dyan. Huwag muna kayo matulog, may pag-uusapan pa tayo. Alright? At mamaya may quiz tayo. Okay. Look at the PSEI. Mabuti nilang green siya nung Friday. Natutuwa pag Friday, green siya. Okay? That, to me, maniwala ka o hindi, it's a sign of hope. And it's a sign of trust. Knowing that tomorrow there will be rallies, still up. Diba? Kahit pa sabihin napakaliit lang yan, although yung general average siya 6,022.24, ang layo kumpara sa ating mga peers. Ang US market, halos mag times 3 na yung kanilang, naalala ko ang wife ko, nagre-report pa siya pag pinapakuha ko mga figures niyan. Naalala ko ang S&P 500, magkano lang noon. Ngayon, halos mag-times 3 na sila tayo, nandiyan tayo, nanlilimahan tayo. Yung level natin is para tayo na sa pandemic. Sometimes worse pa sa pandemic yung level natin. Vantage point is that, ang nakikita ko is opportunity. Ang problema, mga tao natatakot, inuuna yung takot eh. Masakit ngayon kung ikaw magbebenta. Tiyan mo mga companies na ito, pinag-uusapan natin profits of different companies. San Miguel Corporation did 78.6 billion. Bumili ka ng shares nila o hindi, kikita sila. Bakit? Kayo magtutropa talaga, tigil-limang bote naman talaga ang average yung naiinom, hindi naman nagbabago yun. Di ba? Kikita sila. Di ba? Ikaw naman, yung shares niya, pababa ng pababa, hindi binibili. Alam mo kung magkano lang shares ng San Miguel, wala pang 80 pesos. Dating halos 200 pesos yan. Kung nakikita yan ng isang hamak na katulad ko, sa tingin nyo hindi makikita ng mga experts natin iba yan? They will buy shares. And by the time na nagsibili sila, aangat ng market natin, may excite na kayo, ay, maganda na sa Pilipinas at dadami na ang experts. Lahat will be talking about positive things. Late ka na nun. Late ka na nun. Ngayon titingnan natin. Tingnan mo, BPI did 17.5, BDO, ito mga iba-ibang, hindi ko inubos yung mga sectors. Dapat kasi pag-index, 6 na sectors po yan. Okay? Ayala Corporation, Ayala ng 7.21 billion ang kinita na Ayala lang. Okay? Yung ba yung nanlilimahin? Pero hindi natin pinapansin yan. Gan. Kasi nga, wala, mahirap, magulo eh. Diba? So there's always that opportunity. May vantage point, kung marunong tayo tumingin, I promise my company, tumitingin din sila. Kung ako masabi ko, simple lang nakikita ko yan, malamang-lamang ang treasury people namin. I used to work in the treasury, at yun ang tinitingnan namin mga opportunities at paano mag-maximize investments. Sila nakikita nila yan. We do it globally. Okay? Pag nakita nila na, okay, game na, baka by that time, late ka na. Kaya para sa akin, ang recommendation mo, right now, start buying. Start buying. Paunti-unti, paunti-unti. Okay? Next, please. Okay. Yung pinakita natin slides is a slide that says where we are. Yung situation natin, not so gloomy, not so exciting, pero there is an opportunity. Okay? May tanong naman, where are we going? Ano ba ang gagawin natin po? Alam mo na ang kasalukuyan mong kinalalagyan. Kasi ang pag-invest, para ka nagta-travel niyan eh. Para sa pagta-travel, dapat alam mo kung nasaan ka mag-uumpisa. And next, saan ka pupunta? Hindi naman po basta alis ako. Kailangan meron kang direction kung saan ako. And in between is the strategy kung ano gagawin para makarating doon. So setting smart goals and creating comprehensive plan kung paano natin marating yung pupuntahan natin. Okay? Next slide please. Alright. Sa buhay natin, sa mga plano natin sa buhay, sa mga pangarap natin, hindi yan sabay-sabay. Okay? Ang biyahe natin, hindi rin lahat malalayo, hindi rin lahat malalapit. Kaya nga kahit ang mga sasakyan, hindi lahat tricycle, hindi lahat jeep, hindi lahat bus. Di ba? Ang bus, alam mong pamalayuan yan. Pag sinabi natin jeep, mga medium na or average na destination lang yan, mapapuntang Baclaran lang yan. Okay? Financially, we talk about destinations of your funds, the purpose of your funds. Ano mga to? Sample natin, education. If you're married, you have 2 years old na anak, alam mo magka-college yan in maybe Kailan ba magka-college? Age, so alam mo nang hindi yan bukas. Alam mong bakit nakalagay nga pala ang pera mo sa savings account, mag-aaral yung anak mo sa ano pa naman pala 15 years from now. So para kang magbabiyahe ka papuntang Baguio pero naka-tricycle ka. Bawal ba yon o bawal? Hindi bawal na papuntang Baguio, naka-tricycle ka. Abala lang kasi bawat kanto, bababa ka, puta ka kay Manong, lipat ka ng tricycle. Ganon nangyari sa time deposit mo, di ba? Every month, makikipag-usap ka sa bangko. Ma'am, rollover po ba? Akala mo naman papalag ka, talaga ng rollover naman. Pero kung ang purpose ng funds na is for the education of your kid, 15 years from now, nagsasayang ka ng panahon. There should be the right vehicle. Kaya ang tawag din investment vehicle, find the right investment vehicle. Sa pagta-travel din naman, mas mainam kung may kausap ang travel agent or tour guide. Diba? Sila magsasabi siya, dito po kayo, ganyan-ganyan. Yan ang tawag sa kanilang mga financial advisors or property consultants. Diba? Ma'am, kung gusto niya, pansamantala lang, ito, mayroon pa yung pwedeng paupahan gawin. Diba? And later on, you can sell it. Pwedeng ganon. Kung short term lang, gusto niyo may liquidity kayo, paupahan muna. And later on, you can convert it into your retirement money by selling it. Diba? Another example of goal is health and medical planning. Wala pa akong kilalang nangarap o may dream na magkasakit. Wala silang gano'n. Pero, hindi lang nila paghandaan. Whether you like it or yes, magkakasakit. Normal lang po yan. Hindi ka naman gawa sa bakal, di ba? So, dapat na pagpaplanuhan. Savings and investments. This is the perfect time to think about investing. Financial investment, property investment, ito yung panahon ng pagtatanim. Na ang lahat, ang feeling nila ay ayaw nilang pansinin. Sabi nga, when there's blood in the streets, ano daw kasunod dapat? Ang sabi ng tito kong si Warren Buffett, dapat daw maging bili tayo. Dapat doon tayo mamimili. Tatahit-tahimik na yung mga yan, pero ngingiti-ngiti ko. Di ba? Yin-yang, if you believe in the yin-yang, in every adversity there is a counter opportunity. So titingnan natin yan na. Of course, retirement planning. Para sa akin, retirement, okay? Ano ba yung phrase na lagi kong ginagamit? ang paborito ko pag sa retirement is the phrase that says, a well-planned, dignified retirement is the ultimate promotion one can ever get. A well-planned, dignified retirement is the ultimate promotion one can ever get. Kung naging empleyado ka, naging supervisor ka, ang sarap ng pakiramdam na na-promote ka. Naging sales manager ka, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Naging vice president ka, napakaganda ng pakiramdam. Mag-celebrate kayo. But you will never tell yourself na dito na talaga habang buhay. Ha? Ito na talaga ang pinaka. Di na ako alis dito. It is always after that you are thinking about. Yung freedom that I didn't have to do anything, I have all the resources. That is the ultimate promotion. Your retirement. Only if it's a dignified retirement. Kasi kung napilitan ka lang, kasi 65 ka na, whether you like it or not, kailangan ka nang umalis. Diba? Kahit gustong-gusto mo, kasi walang ganun sa employment. So if you are in that situation, planning for retirement, that dignified retirement is very important. Kaya kasama dapat sa trabaho natin sa buhay. And the best person who can guide you are financial advisors and consultants. They know what to do. Right? Alam natin, discipline na po yan. Savings and investment, consistent funding, your goals through savings and investment. So, sa ngayon, sabi ko nga, swerte ka, bata pa tayo, yung short term, medium term, saka long term, mag-fit pa sa'yo eh. Pwede mo pang gawin lahat yun. But if you're in your 60s, wala ka nang pwede plano yung short term, ay long term. Nandun ka na eh. Dapat puro short term ka na lang. So, titingnan natin ang situation natin. Your age, our average age, saying we can still dream and do something about our short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Yun ang perfect situation natin. When we talk to our clients, ganun din. In the property sector, di ba? Ma'am, bata po kayo. Abay, pwede ipamana niyo po sa anak niyo to. At makikinapang din po ang apo niyo. Di ba? Bahay po ito eh. Ganon din po sa financial investments natin. Pwede natin pag-usapan na ganyan ang tono ng usapan natin. Hindi ka nagsisinungaling, totoo po yan. when we buy something, it is always coupled with emotion. Lagi may nakatanim yan, hindi na para sa sarili ko yan. It has to be generational wealth na pinag-uusapan. So, I think that is the direction that we have to do. Next please, meron pa ba? Ayun, ito na. Short term is time deposit. Medium term is, in our company, we have a product called Money Tree. Okay? And of course, for long term, yung A+ signature. During the time of the crisis, pandemic, tumaas ang inflation. Sabi ko nga kanina, tumaas din ang interest rate. So, excited si AIA na pilihin lahat ng mga iniisyo ng government na long-term bonds na mas matataas ang cheaper rate, ibig sabihin interest rate. Naka-lock-in kami ngayon at yun ay sinishare namin sa aming mga kliyente doon sa aming pong long-term plan, pang-retirement, which is yung aming tinatawag na A+ signature na product. And you can take a look at that later on pagka if any one of you would be interested. So, guaranteed po yung kikitain. Iba yung pag long term, gusto mong sigurado ka, wala kang aalalahanin. Para kang may paupahan. O, kahit anong mangyari, may nangungupahan sa akin, di ba? So, yun ang gusto natin mangyari pag long term, wala kang masyadong volatility. So, that is one of the products that our company is offering. And of course, your financial advisor can expand on that later on. Balikan natin isa. And of course, the global, as you know, AIA Philippines is part of this global company called AIA. We are present in 18 countries and jurisdictions. So when we decide on investing something, kanyang composite decision yan. Hindi lang nag-decide si Philippines, it's going to be a decision of the entire investment team being handled by our Singapore office. So we have products that offers wide options na makukuha mo ang opportunities globally. And when I say globally, that doesn't exclude the Philippines. Later on, pag nakita nila and they found appetite to put more money in the Philippines, maniwala kayo sa akin, isa yan sa magpapaboost at magpapataas sa equity market natin. Why? Hindi kami small company. AIA in the Philippines is actually 99.78% owned by AIA Hong Kong. So that makes us a foreign company, a multinational foreign company. So when we decide to invest as a composite, sama-sama yan, mag-decide yan at hindi po piso-piso kung pumasok yan. So that is one opportunity that you can arrive sa company namin.